This is the elevator at the Hot Metal Garage in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. We'll start by going down. No, these are Schindler's. The last time I filmed this was in 2016. Oh yeah, I remember these. Oh yeah, I remember these. Go to the underground level. Alright. Here we go. Well, I remember these. Schindler Scope 4. Door closed by the Zop work. Here we go.
Oh.
Underground. Too bad these don't have dry powers. Too bad these aren't like the Garage Convention Center. These are just plain old B-flat pitch submersible pumps that had a dry power pump at the Duke Energy Convention Center. Let's go switch elevators at one. After that, we will get a view. Did I see some classic leveling? Just your basic Schindler elevator, nothing special. Empty, vandal resistant, hands-free ADA code compliant phone on the panel. 3,500 pound capacity. There's your control panel and your certificate issued from Harrisburg.
Oh.
From the elevator division of the Pennsylvania Department. Says one up. There's the man-powered elevator right there. Dad, here comes this one. Here comes this one. They probably fixed this one. It's been a long time. Last time this one had a messed up indicator. Scope 4 and get a view. Door closed by does not work. Here we go. Still has the messed up chime on it. Wow, they fixed the indicator. You can hear the other one operating. Let's get a view. I definitely didn't see any classic leveling, so they're probably trying to troll me. I believe right here is the Quantum 1 building. Yeah, it's the Quantum 1. There are the elevators. This setup reminds me of the, yeah, the famous Busch Stadium. There's another Quantum UPMC building. Furnace garage.
You good?
Yeah. Alright, we're good to go. There's some residential building.
That's a look to get to the village.
Back on the one where we will end it. Here we go. Same as the other one. You can see through the door. Empty, vandal resistant. ADA code compliant phone with just hands-free on the located in the panel, control panel. It's a 3,500 pound capacity. And there's our certificate of operation by the Bureau of Operational and Auto and of Industries Elevator Division of Harrisburg. Door goes in. That's it.